Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. In this video today, I'm going to show you how you're going to make money watching videos online. Yes, all you gotta do is watch videos and you can make money this way. There are a lot of ways to earn it too. So it won't be just watching videos. You can have multiple ways. So before I get started to show you that one website, I am going to tell you that if you subscribe to my channel, you're going to learn a lot more ways to make big money online, especially if you go to workanywherenow.com, you're going to watch a video of mine telling you I have a free video series that you can learn how I make passive income every day. Okay, so you can check that out. The link is in the description of the video, so check out my video description. There's actually a lot of goodies in my video description, guys. So if you ever want to check it out, go down to the video description and see what is there. Okay, so what is this awesome website that I'm going to show you? It is over here. So this is actually my blog. I want to show you that. So it's MyPoints. MyPoints is a website where you can earn like this. You can earn in several ways, and one of the ways you can earn is using videos, watching videos, I mean. So here are some featured videos. So if I go to the videos page, so what you're going to do is click on these and let it run and just let it watch or let it go, and you could just have it running on the background while you do other things, and so you could earn points like 6 points for a lot of these. If it's a shorter video, it's 3 points, 2 points, 1 point even. Oh, for that one. So there are a lot of different types of videos as well. If you look over here, there are different types of videos. So if you like a certain type and you're actually going to watch it, then this is great categories that you can choose from. Okay, on this page here, I'm going to show you how it all works. So you basically I was telling you how there's other ways to earn, and this page will explain everything. So you can shop online, okay? You can take surveys, you can watch the videos online like I was showing you, or even read emails and do some more things. I'm gonna go through these a little bit. So you could shop through their website. If you shop through their website, you will gain points on certain things. So if you were going to shop anyway online, then you can just do it here. Then you can earn some points from the shopping that you do. So watching videos, complete playlists to earn up to 500 points a day while being entertained. So you can actually earn so much if you watch a lot of videos. Okay, guys. You can even play games and earn like 8 points per dollar if you play games. And you can even earn points just to surf the net, guys. So if this is something that you're doing anyway, so you might as well do it on the site to collect points, and then you can read emails to collect points. So there's many ways to collect points. So once you have all these points, you can redeem them for either cash via PayPal or gift cards. And there's one more option. You can redeem them as travel miles. So that's an interesting option. Now, let's see. So let's go into cash. I think if I press cash or gift cards, it goes to the same spot. So let's see how much these points will be worth. So let's look at Amazon. Everybody likes to get an Amazon card. So let's just take a look here. For $3 Amazon card, you need 480 points. Now, that seems like very steep. So each point for Amazon dollar is like a fraction of a penny. And let's say 1 point is this much, right? So times 6. So a lot of the videos were 6 points. So this is the average. So for each video, you're earning about 3 cents and 3 and 3 1/4 cents, okay? So you watch a bunch of videos every day, you could keep racking them up. So that's not a lot of money, guys. That's not worth a lot of money. So let's try PayPal. Let's see how much PayPal is worth. Here it is. $25 divided by, whoops, $25 divided by 3,970. That's a fraction times 6 points per video that you watch. Yeah, it's about the same. So this is worth a tiny bit more, but it's you guys, you're only gonna be earning about 3 cents to 4 cents a video when you watch it. So it does take a little more time to collect these points, but I mean, it is a way to make money online, and I just want to give you this option. As this is definitely this is an option, definitely something that I don't use myself. I use affiliate marketing actually. Affiliate marketing allows you to promote other people's products without having your own product. So you just gotta promote other people's product, kind of just a recommending. You're not even selling or anything like that. You're just recommending, and you can earn big commissions for your efforts by doing that. So if you want to learn more of what I do, which creates a passive income, go ahead and check out workanywherenow.com, and you'll see my free video series there that will show you this kind of steps that I have taken of how it all works, so you can have a great idea of what kind of business that you can build. So it's like, if you want to make big money online, guys, you really do have to kind of create an online business. And the way to do that is really through learning the skills that it takes to earn big money online. So I hope you join me, because it is fun to make big money online, and I am a stay-at-home mom, so I know that if I can do it, you can do it too, guys, okay? So just go visit workanywherenow.com, and you will find all the videos there, and sign up for them, okay? So this is just a quick video today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up underneath this video, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and I will give you tons of more videos to come. And make sure you touch that notification bell so that you can see when my next video comes out, okay guys? So until next time, I hope you have a great day and start making money online, okay?